Welcome to BOC's myAirvo Patient Setup and Operations Guide. You've been prescribed myAirvo equipment and this video will guide you through the connecting of all the components. Your machine comes with a stand. Place the machine onto the stand by aligning the two holes on the base with the prongs on the stand. Connect the stand's pole using the push buttons. Ensure they click into place and are properly aligned. Open the chamber and the heated tube packaging. You can now discard the packaging once opened. Chamber assembly. Lift the blue mount away from the machine and discard it. Remove the clear plastic clip from the chamber and unravel the clear tubing. Ensure the needle is pulled out from the clip and discard the clip. Hold the chamber with the tubing facing away from you, pull the tubing towards you and insert it into the slot. Place the plastic bracket on top, facing away from you, push down firmly to secure it. Pull the tubing up and clip it into the holder at the back of the bracket. Slide the chamber into the machine slot, aligning the bracket holes with the machine holes. Please ensure the rubber seals do not fold over. Once correctly seated, the spring clip will pop up and secure the chamber. Heated tube and interface. Align the two copper pins on the heated tube with the corresponding holes on the machine. Push until you hear a click. Gently pull to confirm it's securely connected. Interface. Remove the interface from its packaging and discard this packaging. Align the two slots on the interface with those on the heated tube. Push firmly until you hear a click. Align the hole on the water bag with the slot on the stand. Remove and discard the clip from the bottom of the water bag. Firmly push the chamber's needle into the bottom of the water bag. It may spring back slightly, leaving a small gap. If using oxygen with myAirvo, remove the mask or cannula from your oxygen tubing. Insert the fire brake into the port on the side of the machine. Reusable chamber. If prescribed a reusable chamber, It will be pre-assembled for you and you will not receive a water bag. Slide the chamber into the machine slot, align the bracket holes with the machine holes. Please ensure the rubber seals do not fold over. Once correctly seated, the spring clip will pop up and secure the chamber. To remove the chamber, press down on the clip at the front of the base unit and gently wiggle the chamber away from the machine. Powering on and settings. Hold the power button until the Fisher & Paykel logo appears. Once powered on, a swirling icon will appear. Powering on and settings via the myAirvo 2 app. Press the play button to cycle through settings. These are preset by your clinician. Please do not adjust them. Temperature setting. Flow rate. Display brightness, adjust using the up and down arrows. Total hours of machine use. When the machine is fully heated and ready to use, a large tick will be on display. Filter replacement. To change the filter, pull down on the tab at the back of the machine and remove the cover. Replace the filter and reattach the cover until it clicks into place.